Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create Deepseek account and fix OTP sign up issue. So as you know, China has released its own ChatGPT, which is known as Deepseek. It is actually the talk of town. Everyone is going to it, testing it, and just simply creating videos and stuff regarding it. So if you would like to use it, it is super easy and simple to create account onto it. First, you have to simply open your account. Now, what you have to do here is that normally people go to that sign up section where they add your email address and their password and wait for OTP. So right now this option doesn't work. If you go to that sign up page where you add your email address and wait for the OTP, you will not get it. Instead, what you can do is that you can click onto this login option with Google. Then what you have to do is that you have to simply select your email address from Google, which is known as Gmail, and then it would not ask you for any sort of OTP or verification code. It will just create your account. In case you're not logged in with any of the Google account, then first you have to simply log in with your Google account on your device and then simply click on to login with Google or Gmail. Then just simply use Gmail account and it would not ask you for any sort of code or any sort of OTP, and your account will be created. So that's how you can create your DeepSeek account. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you so much for watching the video.